Hi there, Evgen here from a Canadian company Appliance Service Guys. Let's go! Canadian city of Winnipeg, North Transcona area. Bosch dishwasher, when the washing program starts, the dishwasher stops and the symbols e09 appear on the display. Don't worry, we'll just fix it together right now. So, reason for service call. The Bosch Silence Plus 50 dBA dishwasher does not wash dishes and error code E09 appears on the display. I am starting to diagnose. The dishwasher malfunction. Bosch has provided automatic detection of failures during the washing cycle and displays information about the presence of a malfunction. Information is displayed on the display of the Bosch dishwasher in the form of symbol from E00 to E99, where E is the presence of an error and the number is the encrypted error code. In my case, the reported malfunction E09 is interpreted as lack of heating in the dishwasher. The reasons for the appearance of error code E09 are broken wiring, poor contact, or faulty heating element, or faulty main control board of the Bosch dishwasher. The first diagnostic step is to enter the service menu and look at all the errors that are recorded in the dishwasher's memory. There is only one error code in memory, E09, no heating. The second step will be to dismantle the dishwasher from the furniture for a visual inspection and take measurements using a multimeter. I disconnect the electrical power to the dishwasher. Having gained access to the bottom of the dishwasher, I inspect all the components, wires and contacts. Visually, everything looks great. In this Silence Plus 50 dBA Bosch dishwasher model, the heating element is combined with a circulation pump. I disconnect the terminals to the heating element and take measurements with a tester. The heating element is faulty. The circulation pump assembly with heating element needs to be replaced. The diagnostic part of the Bosch dishwasher repair is completed. I am starting the renovation. The first stage is the availability of serviceable spare parts for repair. I need a new circulation pump assembled with a heating element. I have it. The second stage is dismantling the faulty dishwasher part. With access to the bottom of the dishwasher, I disconnect all electrical contacts. There is always a small amount of water left in the dishwasher, so I put a large towel to absorb this water on the floor, under the place where the circulation pump is located. I carefully disconnect the plastic pipes of the pump from other elements of the dishwasher. The third stage is the installation of a new circulation pump assembled with a heating element. I put the faulty pump aside and install a new circulation pump in its place in reverse order. I connect the electrical contacts. I visually control the quality of the work performed. Everything looks good. I connect electrical power to the dishwasher and build it into the furniture. As the fourth stage of repair, I will perform an automatic service test of the Bosch dishwasher, which is provided by the manufacturer to identify faults. I enter the service menu and run the service test. The test was completed successfully. The dishwasher passed all tests in all modes and showed no errors. In addition to the automatic test process, I visually monitor the quality of the work performed. Success! The dishwasher has been tested in all modes and is ready for further use. I advise you to click the subscribe button on Evgen's Fix Lab right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance and repair of appliances. You subscribe and like. I'm making new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.